Hey everyone, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I have spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor after serving as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two premium residential heat pump rates to see which one deserves a spot outside your home. We are comparing the Franklin GLZT7C and the York YH6. When it comes to build quality, there is a clear difference in how these cabinets protect the heart of your system. The Franklin GLZT7C features a true louvered steel coil guard that gives excellent protection against hail, stray rocks, or weed eaters. The York YH6 uses slotted panels rather than a wire grill design to protect the outdoor coil. Both units include factory-installed compressor sound blankets to help dampen internal operational vibration. We measure heating performance using the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, also known as HSPF. The Franklin GLZT7C has an HSPF rating of 8.2. The York YH6 sits just a hair lower at 8.1 HSPF. A higher HSPF means the unit extracts heat from freezing outdoor air more efficiently, keeping utility bills lower in winter. The Franklin GLZT7C uses a 2-speed compressor paired with a 2-speed condenser fan. This allows the system to drop into a lower stage on mild days, running longer, quieter cycles that improve temperature consistency and boost efficiency. The York YH6 also uses a 2-stage compressor, but pairs it with a single-speed condenser fan motor, so the outdoor fan runs at full speed whenever active. York YH6 has a verified sound rating of 76 decibels or lower. The Franklin unit is manufactured in the United States by Dakin Comfort Technologies. The York YH6 is also manufactured in the United States, and its residential line was recently purchased by Bosch Home Comfort from Johnson Controls. For market pricing, the Franklin outdoor unit ranges from about $2,695 for a 2-ton model up to $5,573 for a 4-ton unit. Complete match Franklin systems with an air handler run between about $5,734 and $6,870. The York YH6 outdoor unit prices around $3,667 with a full residential installation averaging near $9,400. Both brands offer comparable warranty coverage with 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranties. If I am choosing one of these to install outside my own house, the clear winner is the Franklin GLZT7C. The reason comes down to superior equipment technology and better cabinet protection for your dollar. The Franklin gives you a 2-speed condenser fan to match its 2-speed compressor, offering better operational control than the single-speed fan on the York. Its louvered steel cabinet ensures your outdoor coil stays safe from physical damage over the long haul. That is how you shop like a pro.